The theology and practice of ministry of the Presbyterian churches in Los Angeles County is prophetic, transformative, genuine, compassionate, practical, caring, and faithful.
We serve beyond our walls. In every community we serve, our mission is to provide leadership, comfort, care, and guidance.
We did the research, and we found that the COVID vaccines are safe and effective. All the vaccines will stop you from getting very ill, ending up in the hospital, or even dying.
The vaccines are safe for everyone, 12 and over. No one will ask about your immigration status. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your community.
You can get vaccinated in your communities, at doctors' offices, hospitals, pharmacies, clinics, and other locations. The vaccinations are free. They are God's gift.
The vaccines are for everyone.